Hello viewers at home, welcome to online teaching of St. Charles College, Onitsha. My name is Chukwudebe Chineze from French department. Our topic for today is di la date, saying the date, and I will also teach you today how to write the years in French. So sit back and enjoy. Les objectifs spécifiques à la fin du cours, les étudiants seront capables de 1. Disons les dates et les événements. 2. Écrivez les dates et l'événement. 3. Mentionnez quelques expressions qui parlent de temps. What this section is trying to tell you is that the specific objective at the end of the lesson, the students should be capable of 1. Saying the dates and their events. 2. Writing the dates, be able to write the dates and their events. 3. Mentioning some expressions which speaks of time. D'abord, nous commençons avec la date d'aujourd'hui. Par exemple, first of all, we start with the date of today. For example, quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? What is the date of today? You all know that today is mercredi. Aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi le 22 juillet 2020. Ou aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi le 22 juillet 2020. But in the lesson, we use today as Thursday. Aujourd'hui, c'est jeudi, le 23 juillet 2020. Ou aujourd'hui, c'est mardi, le 23 juillet 2020. Écrivez les années en français. Par exemple, how to write the years in French. Par exemple, we have 1980. First of all, you bring out 1000. You all know your numbers in French. Mes étudiants, you all know the numbers in French. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 100 is cent. 1000 is mille. 2000 is deux mille. 3000 trois mille. 4000 quatre mille. 5000 cinq mille. 6000 six mille. 7000 sept mille. 8000 huit mille. 9000 neuf mille. Then the last one we have 10,000 dix mille. So we now brought out 1000 from the 1980. 1000 means what? Mille. 900, it means what in French? 900. 80, it means what in French? In your number what? 420. When you plus it together, it gives you what? 1980. So now we have what? Maintenant, nous avons 1940. We have what? 1980. How do we say 1980 en français in French? Nous avons 1940. We also have another year here, 1981. We use the examples that we used above. 1000, you bring out 1000. 1000 means what in French? Mille. 900 means what in French? 900. Then 81 means what in French? 420. Now we have what? Maintenant, nous avons 1940. To comprendre, do you understand? Let's say it again. From 1981, you bring out 1000. 1000 means what? Mille. 900, 900, 81, 420. Now you call it together. We have nous avons 1940. To comprehend, you understand? So we now use it for the other years. 1982, how do we say it in French? How do you write it in French? you say Mil 1983, 1983, 1984, 1985, 1986, 1987, 1988, 1989, 1990, 1991, 1992, 1993, 1994, 1914, and the last one we have 1995, 1915. Here we have the calendar. You know, most of you were born in the month of 2008 or 2009. So we use the calendar 2008. Here we have on, front, on. We have the numbers 1 to 31 normally in the calendar. But in the number 12, there is an X at the back, making it showing that we marked 12. We will use it to answer the questions below. La date aujourd'hui, c'est, according to the calendar, c'est samedi, le 12 janvier 2008. The date of today, it is Saturday. According to the calendar above, it is Saturday, the 12th January 2008. Quelle est ta date de naissance? What is the date of your birth? How do you write it in French, or how do you say it in French? Je suis né à 12 janvier 2008. Quelle est la date de naissance? How do you say it according to the calendar above? Je suis né à 12 janvier 2008, meaning that I was born at 12 January 2008. So below we use le leçon avec le usage d'un dialogue entre Emeka et Chibuzo. The lesson with the usage of a dialogue between Emeka and Chibuzo to help you understand the topic of today. What is the topic of today? Dire that, saying the date. So we are going to present a dialogue between Emeka and Chibuzo. Lesson 1. Quelle est date de naissance? What is the date of your birth? That is the topic of the dialogue today. Emeka, quel âge as-tu, Chibueze? What does it mean? It means what? What is your age, Chibueze? Chibueze answered what? J'ai 12 ans. I am 12 years old. Emeka, quelle est ta date de naissance? What is the date of your birth? Is asking Chibueze. Chibueze answered, je suis né le 12 janvier 2008. I was born in 12 January 2008. Et toi? And you? Comme est-ce que tu es né? And when were you born? Emeka answered, moi, je suis né le 10 novembre 2009. Moi, which means what? Me. I was born in 10th November 2009. Chibueze answered, alors, tu as 11 ans. Then, you are 11 years old. Emeka answered, oui, j'ai 11 ans. Yes, I am 11 years old. Chibueze answered, Je suis né avant toi. I was born before you. Emeka now said, oui, je suis né après moi. I was born after you. Chibueze now said, j'ai fêté mon anniversaire le mois dernier. I will celebrate my birthday the last month. Emeka now said, le mien est le mois prochain. Mine is next month. So this lesson here, this dialogue here is trying to show you how you can say your date of birth. So I now use a dialogue between Emeka and Chibueze to show you that. Do you understand? Le leçon avec le usage d'un dialogue entre le professeur et les étudiants. The lesson with the usage of a dialogue between a teacher and the students. This is a second dialogue. Leçon 2, that's the second lesson. Quelle est la date aujourd'hui? That's the topic of the dialogue. What is the date of today? Le professeur. Quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? What is the date of today? Then the student answer, which means what? Les étudiants. Aujourd'hui, that's today, c'est mercredi le 22 juillet 2020. Today, it is Wednesday, the 22nd July 2020. Then the teacher answered, which means the professor. Qu'est-ce que nous avons? Then what do we have? The student said, aujourd'hui, nous avons le français, which means what? Today, we have French. The teacher answered, le professor, est-ce que vous avez le civique demain? Do we have civic tomorrow? Demain means what? Tomorrow. Les étudiants, which means the students, said what? Non, monsieur, c'est après demain. No, monsieur, it is after tomorrow that we have civic. Then the professor answered, which the professor means the teacher, le professeur. Demain, so vendredi, n'est-ce pas? Which means demain means what? Tomorrow. C'est vendredi, it is Friday, n'est-ce pas? Isn't it? The students, les étudiants, says, non, monsieur, demain c'est jeudi. Tomorrow is Thursday. Le professor, the teacher, said what? C'est vrai. It is true. Hier était mardi. Yesterday was Tuesday. Et aujourd'hui, and today, c'est mercredi. And today is what? Wednesday. Les étudiants answered, which means the student answered, oui, monsieur, which means what? Yes, monsieur. Do you understand? These lessons of today, the dialogue, the two dialogues is trying to tell you how to say your date of birth, how to say your date in French. Les expressions de temps, the expressions of time in the lesson. Les expressions de temps, the expressions of time in French. Number 1, numéro 1, you repeat after me. Aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui means what? Today. Numéro 2, hier means what? Yesterday. Demain means what? Tomorrow. Après-demain, day after tomorrow. Avant-hier, day before tomorrow. La semaine prochaine means what? Next week. La semaine dernière means what? Last week. Le mois dernier means what? Last month. Le mois prochain means what? Next month. L'année dernière means what? Last year. L'année prochaine means what? Next year. Pour numéro 12, dans une semaine means what? In a week. Le mien means what? Mine. Naissance means what? Birth. L'année passée means what? Past year. Fête means what? Celebration. Anniversaire means what? Birthday. Date means what? Date. Monsieur and Madame means what? Mr. and Mrs. Évaluation In order to test your knowledge on the lesson of today, we have the questions below. You answer the questions below. Number 1, quelle est la date d'aujourd'hui? What is the date of today? I want you to make a sentence. Don't just give me the date. You make a sentence in French according to the lesson of today. Numéro 2, écrivez les années suivantes en français. Write the following years in French. 1. 1970, 2. 1972, 3. 1974, and 4. 1975. Numéro 3. Quelle était la date de hier? What is the date of yesterday? Numéro 4. Ce mois est dash. This month is what? Numéro 5. Le mois prochain sera dash. The next month will be dash. Numéro 6. Le mois dernier était dash. The last month was dash. Numéro 7. L'année passée était dash. The past year was dash. Numéro 8. Cette année est dash. This year is dash. Numéro 9. L'année prochaine serait dash. The next year will be dash. Numéro 10. Quelle est ta date de naissance? What is the date of your birth? You make a sentence for your résumé. À la fin du cours, les étudiants seront écrire les notes et préparer pour les leçons prochaines. At the end of the lesson, the students at home must write their notes and prepare for the next lesson. My contact number is 070-3566-8962. Thank you. Merci beaucoup.